How to turn off Google Assistant on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you can turn off your Google Assistant on your Android phone. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, let's say you have turned on Google Assistant. Whenever you say hey Google, your Google Assistant suddenly opens up, and sometimes it is really annoying. As you can see, when I said it right now as well, the Google Assistant simply opened up. So what do we do in order to turn off Google Assistant? Now in order to turn off our Google Assistant, what you have to do is simply go ahead and then open the Google app. Let's say for example, once you open the Google app, what you have to do is on the very top right hand side, tap on this profile icon which you see. Once you tap on the profile icon, what you have to do is right over here you'll find this option which says settings. So all you got to do is tap on the settings button. As you tap on the settings option, you'll be able to see a list of various options. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the option which says Google Assistant. So right down halfway down the bottom you'll find a section which is Google Assistant. You have to simply tap on it. As you tap on Google Assistant, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. Right over here you'll find the very first option which says Hey Google and Voice Match. So what you have to do is tap on Hey Google and Voice Match, and as you tap on Hey Google and Voice Match, in order to turn off Google Assistant you have to simply turn off this toggle. So simply turn on this toggle right next to Hey Google. Once you turn off this toggle, you will have successfully turned off your Google Assistant. Now even if I say Hey Google, you can see it says the Google Assistant simply does not open up. And this is how you can turn off Google Assistant. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.